Okay, my name is Patrick Foley. I'm a teacher at Chelsfield Primary School. I've been using the Elmo for a DT project, which is to investigate strengthening paper using box structures. We used it to have a look at the nets, the box structures, and then I showed them underneath the Elmo how to make them, focusing on the technical issues of making the box structures and the little issues, how to fold precisely, how to glue precisely, the order to do things in the sole, which is very hard to do in to a large group when you're showing something quite small to them how to do it, so all the children could focus on the specific issues. I think that did develop their understanding of the importance of finished quality, which is something I talk a lot about when I'm talking about design and technology. The idea is, which we haven't managed to get to yet, the idea is that they will make and design their own chairs depending on the kind, so that they might have triangular, circular or square legs, but cross-section legs. I have shown them these underneath the visualising the advantages that they are three-dimensional, so you can move them, you can focus on the issues of where the glue would go, the net paper fastening, all those kinds of issues, which is really good. It's year 5 and 6 class, which I think I mentioned. And it's been very engaging. Unfortunately, it's not my class that I'm using, so I haven't had it in my class all the time, but I know the class teacher who has used it has commented on its usability, in that she can just put things underneath, and she is using it an awful lot specifically for assessment for learning, to do with looking at children's examples of children's work and looking at what's good about the work. We use the idea of 2 stars and a wish, so 2 good things about the work and something that they could improve, and it's good for modelling that idea. Assessment of learning in general, it's very impactful on that, and that's obviously going to improve the achievement of the children. The issue of whether it's cut down time in planning preparation time. Well, one thing I have noticed is that for art, and one of the beginning of this was actually an art. We did some art looking at art of chairs, and actually getting images and then shoving them under it was actually a lot quicker than hunting for them on the internet, which I also did. And it's a lot better than doing that than previous process, which might have been finding the image, scanning it, projecting it, or finding the image and holding it up, which isn't very satisfactory quite often. So that was a lot better in terms of preparation. I think the time in doing the thing was improved as well, because I didn't have to show them so much. There was more action for the children. And actually we did the design.